Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how we will annotate notes in this class. I will use an example from today's lesson, which is at the beginning of the year. In Schoology, I have given you directions on how to close read a text. This also comes with an article PDF. To download the PDF into Notability, which is where you will annotate or write on your text, you can click the download button and hit Notability. If you do not have Notability or it does not work, you may also use Notes. Today I will show you Notability. Create a new note and click Import. When it says it's been sent, you can open up Notability and split your screen and open up that new file. I'm going to go back and split my screen with this. The directions here so that I can see them. All right. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is preview our text. So look at the pictures. We have a child getting her vaccine there. We know this is a pro-con, should everyone get vaccinated in the United States. I can look at my subheadings, my headings. The first part is pro, and it says many illnesses have disappeared because vaccinations. And I look at these headings. Vaccines have saved thousands and thousands of lives. Catching chickenpox was fatal for cancer patients. And then there's cons down here. And as we go through, we can see these headings here. All right. Second thing I'm going to do is number the paragraphs. Remember, a paragraph usually starts with an indentation, but sometimes they are separated by a space. So and so forth. Try not to cover up your text, as I have here. The third thing you will do is slowly read through the article. Just read it. Don't try to do any meaning or write any, don't annotate at all. Don't highlight or underline. The fourth thing you will do is read it a second time. This time you will highlight in yellow. You're going to look for words that you may not know. For example, if I read this, the official cause of death was acute lymphoblastic leukemia. I don't really know if I know what that is, so maybe I'll highlight that. And keep reading, keep reading. Maybe you don't know what vaccinated means. I'll highlight that. So keep highlighting the words that you don't understand or don't know, and then look them up if you need to. After that, you're going to read it one more time. This time, you're going to circle the author's claim and write a C next to it. So in this case, we have a pro and a con author, so two different authors of this article. And I'm going to say that their claim is probably going to be right here. It says, pro, many illnesses have disappeared because of vaccination. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that and write a C next to it. That's the claim. All right. You will also underline any evidence that they use. And so read through the article. I can tell that this is evidence. They're citing some numbers here. So the CDC estimates that nearly 750,000 American children were saved between these times because of vaccines. So I'm underlining that, and I can put evidence and put an E next to that. Finally, you will highlight in orange anything you have a question about. So if I'm looking and I say, okay, down here in paragraph 5, 6, 7, it says nothing in medicine is 100%. I wonder what that means. So I'm going to highlight that actually in orange. I need to find a different color. Well, I'm going to do that right now. But find a different color, highlight that in orange. If that orange doesn't work, you can just highlight it in yellow again. But the orange helps us differentiate. And that's how you annotate notes in this class using the close reading strategy.